Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another day of Indie Miss. I am so excited for this video because we have the December Melt mystery boxes, or mystery bags technically. It's one box, but they're mystery bags. So Melt did this for Black Friday. I already have a video live on my channel, and they did a small bag and a large bag. The small was $25, this large was $75, and the bags were really good. I got so many amazing products. I haven't bought anything from Melt in a long time, so I was very ecstatic about that. If you want to see everything that was in those boxes, feel free to check the video out down below. But I saw that they released a December edition, and in the December edition it was the same thing, small box, large box, $25, $75, but the description specifically said that if you purchase these for Black Friday, that these ones were different products. So I thought, you know what? You guys enjoyed the video. I thought they were super bomb, and these are still available now. So I thought I would go ahead and do an unboxing on this one as well and see if it's worth it. I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that it's worth it. I'm hoping it's as good as the Black Friday ones, because the Black Friday ones were bomb. Definitely worth the $100 that I spent, but we shall see. Did they do it again, or did they just get rid of products nobody wanted? AKA every mystery box unboxing ever. Let's see. So let's go ahead and start off with the small bag first. So we have the Melt Cosmetics Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlight in the shade Chocolate Dipped. So they did have this in the previous ones. I've got, oh, actually I moved it. I did have the pink one behind me. I haven't tried yet. So I'm really excited to try the like light pinky shade, but this one I think will be a little bit too dark for me. I mean, maybe you could use it as a bronzer if you have a light skin tone, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in a giveaway or pass it on. I'm not sure yet, but that's really beautiful, and of course nice that they've kind of done a variety of these. I love when brands do include like a light, medium, or deep skin tone option for mystery bags, but this one did not, so that's kind of just the name of the game. And then next we have an eyeshadow palette. This is feeling like the moment. It's one of the ones that I think has been on sale forever, but I don't own it. So this is the Blueprint palette. Let's look at it in person. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know how I feel. It's not one that like really called out to me, but I mean, I feel like I've heard decent things. Let's see. Okay, so it did come a lot of it broken. I mean, you can see the shimmer. There's like an entire chunk missing out of it, but there's what it looks like. It sucks that it's broken, because that makes me like not want to like pass it on, or like I don't know, I feel like I have to like repress that, and I don't want to like gift something as a gift that has to be repressed. But I feel like that's just kind of how Melt shimmers tend to be. So let's go ahead and move that to the side. So in the small box we also have a, what is this? This is the Ghost Light Blush Light. I think that this one is actually one that I've been interested in. So it is a powder highlight, I'm pretty sure, but it just looks like a white shade, and I think that it has a pink shift to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it because, oh wow, okay, you know what? There's no pink shift. I don't know why I was thinking that. It's just a very white highlight, but I mean, that looks really pretty. Oh yeah, definitely excited to try that one out. I'm gonna do a full face trying Melt products video. I just figured I would wait for this box and then do it all together. So I'm excited to try that. And that one is definitely one that works well for my skin tone personally. All right, last thing in this bag is a little nude lipstick, and this is in the shade Tease. These little lipsticks from Melt are so tiny and so cute. Let's see. Shade. Oh, I mean, that's a really pretty nude. I love that they did so many nudes between the different bags and like very wearable shades. Like I feel like sometimes when you get mystery bags, it's like these like random shades that like not a lot of people would go for. But I mean, I think that's really cute. So that was everything that was in the small bag, just 4 products, but I mean, it probably had a decent amount of value. I'm mostly excited about the highlighter and the lipstick. So not my favorite bag ever as far as the small bag goes, but that's okay. Now let's go ahead and jump on into the big bag, which already there is a product here that is ginormous, and they have it stuck on the outside of the bag. They have it like rubber banded in, and that is the Millennial Pink palette. So this one, I mean, when I first saw it, I thought it was so ugly, but my makeup style has changed so much since then. I actually think it's really cute now, but I've heard such bad reviews about this palette, so I think it's actually kind of perfect for it to come in like a little mystery bag. I saw it on sale for like $25 on Melt's website on Black Friday, but I was like, I don't need it, but I'm actually really excited to try this one. Like, I feel like this color story, now, who I am now, it speaks to me. If I could only get this open. Goodness gracious. Okay, so it didn't come broken at all. I mean, it looks so cute. I'm excited about it. I feel like a lot of people won't be excited about this being in the mystery bag, but I am. We have got a lot of products in this large one, and I already see some things that are making me very happy. So let's see. First, we have this liner, which is so beautiful. It's called Cultura, and it's a amazing mustard liner. I'm gonna show you kind of just a little bit, but I actually already own this one and I love it, so I'm excited to throw that in a giveaway. I believe that was part of the Amor Eternal collection forever ago, but it is so pretty, so that one I'll be passing along. And then next we have a blush. Ooh, you guys, this is the one I wanted. This is the one I almost bought before. This is the cream blush light in the shade Golden Hour. I was thinking the one that was in the other bag was the one I was thinking of, but here in Golden Hour, it all comes back to me. Oh, look at that peachy goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, we're just gonna swatch it. Okay, it feels kind of like more sheer, like it's like a thin layer of cream, but it looks like so glowy. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, already everything in the larger bag is making me so happy. Next we have another lipstick. This is in the shade Catsuit. Pull this up. Let's see. I'm guessing it's like a dark nude. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's kind of like a dark, like burgundy shade. Probably something I'll pass on just because I have so many lip products. And then we have another one of the digital liquid highlights, and it's the shade Fetish, which I'm pretty sure is the shade I already have. Let me see. Oh yeah, Fetish. So that stinks because they specifically said on the website that these were different products, but they're not. So I have Fetish twice. Again, another one I'll be passing along, but I guess that's what happens when you buy 4 mystery bags from a brand within like 2 weeks. It's fine, it's fine. And then next we have a highlighter. This is the Pink Moon Digital Dust Highlight. I'm pretty sure this is another one that I've looked into before. Let's see. Okay, so there's what Pink Moon looks like. I mean, it does look really pretty. It looks like a stunning pink. I don't want to touch it right now. I think it kind of looks a little bit like Illuminacion, like that pink, like duochrome shade. So I'm gonna look up swatches on this one and just see how I feel about it before I touch it, because I don't want to put my grubby little fingers in something that I'm not going to keep or that I think someone else would get use out of. But that does look like a really pretty highlighter. And then we've got one last face product in here, which is another one of the blush lights. This one is in the shade Shadow Play. I have no idea what this looks like. Let's see. Oh, that looks white. Okay, what was the other one? Okay, we've got Shadow Play and Ghost Light. These look literally the exact same. Okay. I feel like I have to swatch it for science, right? Okay, that's another really white one. Oh, that one's even whiter. That one's like a ghost. Okay, so there's Shadow Play here, and Ghost Light actually looks a little bit more golden. It did not look golden until I put this shade next to it. It's kind of like a chalky white, but I mean, that might look nice on the cheeks. Okay. I mean, I'm like, where's a highlight brush? Let me just try this real quick because I'm curious. Sometimes a really white highlight just does it when you have fair skin, so let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, that turned green. I didn't see the green. I feel like I just played myself. Okay. Wow. I have like this beautiful glam look on and I just threw green highlight on top. Okay. Lastly, we have, let's see, there's 2 lip liners here. So we've got the shade Scandal, which looks like a red, and then Cinder, which looks like kind of like a pinky brown shade. Let's look at Cinder. Okay, so this on the inside it says Cinder, but then the actual thing says Blindfold. So it looks kind of like a corally kind of shade. And then there's what Scandal looks like. It just looks like a pretty orangey red. I bet it would actually go really well with what I've got on my lips today, which is Lisa Eldridge Velvet Dragon. And then there's also another lip pencil right here. This is the Perfectionist lip pencil in the shade Caffeine. So it's just kind of like a pretty brown shade. All right, y'all, so I think that is everything. I feel like for me this time around, I'm not as blown away. The little bag, could take it or leave it, wasn't my favorite. The bigger bag, I think, had some really exciting products to me. I mean, the highlighter, that's green. I don't know if that's my moment, but the Golden Hour blush looks stunning. The lip products look nice. There's different highlighters. There's the Millennial Pink palette. I don't know, but I guess I could have bought that for less than what I bought the bag for. Yeah. Oh, but then there was also this liner, which is so nice. If I didn't already own this, I would have been so happy to have received it in the bag. So, yeah, I would say I like the big one, but I'm not absolutely blown away. I think the most disappointing thing is getting an extra of something I already had when they marketed it as being different, and then also the shimmers in the Blueprint palette being pretty broken. So this one was a little less exciting, but that's okay. Let me know which ones you want to see in an upcoming full face of Melt Cosmetics, but that's pretty much everything. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!